In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a PDF to Microsoft Copilot. Whether you're new to using Copilot or just need a refresher, I've got you covered with a clear and straightforward guide that should take you about 5 minutes to follow along. So let's dive right in. First off, you'll want to open up Copilot. It serves as an integrated assistant, enabling you to manage your tasks more efficiently. Locating it will depend on your specific setup, perhaps within your organization's platform, or directly via Microsoft applications. Once you've got Copilot open, you'll be greeted by its chat interface. Now here's the key part. Look for the option that allows you to upload or attach a file. This option is usually visible in the chat interface, often represented by an icon resembling a paperclip, or simply labeled as Upload or Attach File. If you're having trouble finding it, don't hesitate to hover over icons or look around the interface, as UI designs change frequently and can vary depending on the version you're using. With the upload feature located, the next step is to upload your PDF document. Click on the icon or link that allows you to select files from your device. Navigate to the location where your PDF is stored. Once you find your document, select it and confirm your choice to upload. At this point, Copilot will begin processing the PDF document. Given that PDFs can vary in size, this might take a moment, so just be patient while it uploads and processes. Once your document is uploaded, it's time to interact with Copilot. Here's where the real fun begins. In the chat box, type in your prompt to give Copilot instructions on what you want it to do with the file. Perhaps you need it to summarize the contents, search for specific information, or transform the data into another format. Crafting a clear and concise prompt will ensure you get the most accurate and helpful response. Use specific terms related to the document's content to guide Copilot effectively. Bear in mind that while AI like Copilot tends to be intuitive, the accuracy of its output can depend greatly on how precise and clear your requests are. If the response isn't quite what you were looking for, don't be afraid to rephrase your prompt or ask additional questions. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively upload a PDF to Microsoft Copilot and unlock the potential of this powerful tool to enhance your productivity. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful to you. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials that can simplify and streamline your workflow.